When you're teaching students about how to build buildings, how to construct facilities, and you yourself have not built a building yourself, you lose all credibility. So I'm doing a lot of research on how to optimize the design of urban development in terms of their sustainability and their efficiency and their profitability as well. One of the projects we're working on, we had to change the design of a particular facility that they've been building exactly the same way for years. And one of my biggest achievements was convincing them that this new design that we proposed was better for users and was better for the client. That was a huge achievement in my life, and I think it made a big mark in the lives of those who are using these facilities. So I joined AUC about 17 years ago now. I came from Dubai. I was chairing the Department of Architecture in the University of Sharjah. And before that, I was at the University of Maryland. My first job was a teaching assistant in the same department that I'm teaching in right now. And this was 35 years ago. I've always had the dream of maybe coming back to Egypt, and AUC was probably a natural place to be. So our involvement in Campus 2026 as a department, we have a number of students that were interning with the contractor. They interned over the summer on the site itself, and they saw how the construction happens, and they documented that. And I personally was involved with following up on them, because really it's a state-of-the-art site. So what really drives me to keep pursuing my passion is one word, is curiosity. I think I am very curious in terms of trying to find out things, understand why things are happening, and how are they happening. Curiosity killed the cat. I'm still alive. Sometimes I have too much of it, but that's basically what keeps me driven.